Huwag magwawala pag yan nagsidikitan. Yan kami nag-aaway kasi gusto niya yung laging may pandikit Yes. What to do? What to do? What to do? What happened? What happened? Oh, what to do? Mama, what to do? Oh, so Mama, what to do now? Wait. Mama, what to do? Mama will open like this. Like this, Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, what to do? Like this? Oh, give me your hand. Where's your boo-boo? Oh, no. It's okay. Happy? Is it okay? No. You give me. Give. Can I see your nose? Can I see your nose, anak? I'll blow. Oh no. Oh no, Papa. Papa, see Alexa, what she doing, Come here. Come here. Oh no. Oh, wala. Batang maldita. Ang batang. Oh my G. What to do? What Mama do? What to do? What to do? Huh? What should I do? Oh, buto loves ni Mama. Ang baby loves ni Mama. Buto loves ni Mama. Yan na. Gigil ako sa'yo. Kagating kita dyan. What to do? Huh? Ouch. Kagating kita. Can I kiss your kilikili? No. Can I kiss your kilikili, please?
No.
Come on. Oh, I will kiss your neck na lang. Dali. Can I kiss? Oh, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Ouch, Mama. Oh no. Ouch, Mama. Ngiti-ngiti ka dyan kasi naka-ouch si Mama. Ay! Ouch si Mama. What to do? Na-ouch man si Mama. Why you bite Mama? Why you bite Mama? What to do now?
Oh no.
Say sorry kay Mama. Say sorry. Ouch si Mama. Say sorry. Say sorry to Mama first. See, See, Mama, you bite Mama here, See, ouch. Oh, say sorry to Mama na. Say sorry. Say sorry to Mama.
Oh no.
Oh no. Gigil ikaw. O, kiss na lang si Mama sa neck, be. Oh no. Mama dress yan. I said no. Hala. Hi, ambot sa imo Alexa. Magulo ang mundo.